Yes, people. Let's go rolling in the deep, and we'll show you, mate, this nice rolling 90. Right, and to start off, depending on what size tray you got, will depend on the distance between each of your points. So this is 100mm tray. So between every cut we're going to be doing will be 100mm.
Yeah.
And we'll always aim to try and make our cuts on the solid bit of tray. So we'll get our set square, mark up our cut, and then on the outside of the bend, you'll mark the lip, and you'll give that a cut as well. We'll get the little girl looking a little something like that. And then we'll grab the file and give it a few love strokes, just to stop any cables getting cold on it. And then after you've done that, you can start forming the bends how you want it. Literally just lifting the pieces up on top of one, and then bringing the tray round so you get just about 90. Like, you don't have to be perfect 90 yet, 'cause you can do the fine tuning towards the end. And then we'll grab our Sharpie and we'll start marking off where we want to cut the tray to get it all sitting flat. And this is all down to personal preference how you want to do it, but you just keep cutting bits off to eventually get it where you want it. And then once you've got your grinder and cut your downward cuts, try this little number to get a nice flush finish. Then we just grab your grips and just rip up and down, eventually just fall off, giving this nice clean surface. Then we'll grab our tray joiner, make a few cuts on the bottom and on the lip, just to give the internal bend a lot more strength. And then I find this is the most satisfying part of it, when you just get it all strapped in. Like, it can take a bit of persuasion to get it in, but once you've got it fitted in, it is a thing of beauty. And then, as I said earlier, this is how you're going to get it 90. So you find a surface, rest it up against it, and you see it just sits there. Grab your pins, nuts, washers, and then if there's any holes you can use, we'll utilise them. Get it all bolted together, and there will always be some bits where it overlaps. So we'll just grab the drill, send a few holes through, get it pinned up, and the end result should hopefully be looking a little something like that. Jeez! Wallop.